Rasulullah. Nade Risalat.
Ya Rasulullah.
Next participant for the age group below 9 is Muhammad Hamza. No? Inshallah, next time. Alright. Okay, we move on to the next participant, Muhammad Imran Patel, age 6.
मेरे किस्मत जगाने को नबी का नाम काफी है। मेरे किस्मत जगाने को नबी का नाम काफी है। हजारों गम मिटाने को नबी का नाम काफी है। या रसूल अल्लाह,
नात खानी मौत भी हमसे चुरा सकती नहीं। नात खानी मौत भी हमसे चुरा सकती नहीं। कब्र में भी मुस्तफा के गीत गाते जाएंगे। मुझ पे मौला का करम है, उनकी नातें करता हूँ। दामन अपना रब की रहमत से मैं हरदम भरता हूँ। मैं सदके या रसूल अल्लाह, मैं सदके या हबीब अल्लाह, मैं सदके या रसूल अल्लाह, मैं सदके या हबीब अल्लाह।
It's good to see that the youth corner over there is active, mashallah. But, mashallah, I could see your hands up. But it would be much better if you come a bit more forward. Subhanallah. These youth are our future, mashallah. Come on, a bit more forward. Subhanallah, Jazakallah. Do you all know the benefit of Durood Sharif? Okay. The question again. I'm not going to leave you until you all know this answer tonight. Yeah? Benefit of praying one Durood Sharif is that you get 10 good deeds in your books, 10 bad deeds are washed away, and your status is increased by 10 times. Come on, again. So inshallah today, this Naat competition is not just to listen to Naat, but it's also to learn something as well, inshallah. Yeah? So this is something that we all have to take home with you today. Say inshallah. Right, the next participant of this group is Muhammad Siddiq.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Every time I'm troubled by a storm of burden in my life, every time I'm troubled by a storm of burden in my life, your name alleviates my pain, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Your name alleviates my pain, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah. How can a tongue do over praise when God Himself praises you? How can a tongue do over praise when God Himself praises you? Your praise will live to see no end, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Your praise will live to see no end, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah. In this blessed month, Allah sent us a mercy to the universe. In this blessed month, Allah sent us a mercy to the universe. It truly is the greatest gift, Habibi ya Rasulallah. It truly is the greatest gift, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah. On Judgment Day, when all will fair to stand and speak before their Lord. On Judgment Day, when all will fair to stand and speak before their Lord. Upon that day will rise and say, Habibi ya Rasulallah. Upon that day will rise and say, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya Rasulallah, Habibi ya